welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming at you real life, no makeup, lips chapped, hanging out in PJs. Me and baby are just sitting in the living room, the one that you are about to see take a complete transformation. I know a lot of you don't care for these videos, but a lot of you do, and it's literally me just emptying out a crap ton of boxes and organizing, and you get to see what it looked like before and what it looks like now. I'm chilling in the room now that I cleaned up. It took me days, so you're gonna see me in different outfits, or pajamas I should say, because that's what I live in nowadays, where I'm cleaning this damn mess and I'm like pregnant. You'll see me, well, you probably won't because it's fast forwarded really fast, but I like have to stop and take breaks and breathe. Whatever, pregnant life. I'm just so happy this room is done. It's motivating me to work, and like I've been working a lot since this office has been done, and it's like, your environment has so much to do with how you're feeling. So just a little tip, if you find yourself in a rut and you can't get shit done and you see that your workspace is in shambles, that's why. It's totally why, because I've been motivated ever since this room got clean, and now I can like film and you know, everything's in order. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like organization. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to like open the drawers. I won't do it to where I'm like, okay, this lip gloss is here. No offense to those who do that, but a lip gloss is a lip gloss. I can just show you what inside of the drawers look like, and like I do an affordable version. Oh, you hear the kitty? Hi, baby, come here. You wanna say hi? That's Rooster. Come here, Rooster. Come here. Say hi. Oh, come here. Say hi. No, girl. No. Anyways, and then this one gets out. But okay, yes, I'm sorry. I'm getting off topic. Let me know if you want to see inside the drawers, how I organize, blah, blah, blah. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just fast forwarded, me cleaning before and after. Enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating. My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. Flashing light keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on, but we should know better. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it back. fast, way too fast. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
It's completely like not done. Obviously, I'm gonna need a rug, some decorative things on the wall, but finally all of the boxes are put away. I just threw away or recycled all of the boxes that I had in here, and I thought I would share with you a quick overview of what this room looks like. It's all cleaned up. Yay, this is the office side. All the makeups are in there. We added these shelves. All of the product. I know, it's insane. And I'm still gonna hang some stuff up there, but that's where we're at so far. I hope you liked this. Let me turn on this light. This unpack rearranging with me. I will definitely do a makeup collection. Is that even a thing? Or like how I store it? It's nothing new or special, but I will show you if you'd like. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Love you guys.